If you're having power troubles with your PowerGlide Pet Vacuum, here are some tips. Start by plugging in your machine to a grounded outlet. To power on the machine, flip the power on switch. If there is still no power, unplug your machine from the wall. Check the entire length of the power cord and discontinue use if there is any damage. Check to see if the outlet is working. You can test this by plugging something small, like a cell phone charger or nightlight, into the outlet. Often homes have several outlets on the same breaker, and the breaker can be tripped if multiple appliances are plugged into those outlets. Try using an outlet in a different area or resetting any tripped breakers. We hope these few tips get you back to cleaning.